Hello everyone, I Nirmala Chhetri from Kanha Kingdom Smart Education. So today I am going to teach you all Social Studies of Class 4th, Chapter number 1. Today's topic is our national symbol. Our national symbol. Okay? So today we are going to study about national symbols of our country. So move towards contents. Okay? So today's contents are national flag, national anthem, national song, national emblem, and other national symbols. These all are today's contents. So I request you to all please take out notebook, text copy, textbooks and pencils and write down the important meaning. Okay? So without wasting a time, move towards first subtopic. Okay? First subtopic is our national flag. Our national flag. So move towards first subtopic. Okay? So our today's topic is our national symbol. Okay? So do you know the meaning of national symbol? And our first subtopic is our national flag. National symbols are the patriotic symbols represent nations and countries. National symbols are the patriotic symbols representing nations and countries. Symbols means are things that represent something. Symbols means are things that represent something. Or nations means national means related towards nations, related towards countries. You know na countries? You know the meaning of countries? You know na? So do you anyone tell me how many countries are there in the world? Guess. There are 195 countries in the world. Okay? So let's move towards the first subtopic, that is our national flag. Okay? Our national flag. You know the meaning of national, so what is the flag? Flag means it is a piece of our cloth. It is a piece of a cloth which represents something. It represents our country and our pride. National flag represents our country. National flag represents our country and pride. Pride means it's a type of feelings. It's type of patriotic feelings. Patriotic means feelings towards nations. Okay? So every free nation of the world has its own flag. Every free nation of the world, there are 195 countries, and every free nation of the world has its own flag. It is the symbol of a free country. It is a symbol of a free country. So our national flag is called the Tiranga or tricolor also. Our national flag is called Tiranga or tricolor also. Spelling of Tiranga is Tiranga. Tiranga or tricolor. 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 Okay. The national flag has 3 horizontal bands of the same size. Our national flag has 3 horizontal bands of the same size. Our national flag is in rectangular shape. Okay? Our national flag is in rectangular shape, and our national flag has 3 horizontal bands of the same size. You know our national flag? When we are hosted on Independence Day or Republic Day, at that time you see? Yes, you know. So, do you know how many colors are there in our national flag? There are 3 colors. Okay, there are 3 colors. At the top we saw deep saffron color. At the top there is deep saffron color. At the middle white, and at the bottom of the flag it is dark green. Okay, at the top deep saffron, at the middle white, and at the bottom of the flag it is dark green. And at the middle of the flag we saw one wheel. Okay, the national flag is in screen. Please see carefully. Okay, it is our national flag. At the top it is a saffron, at the middle it's white, and at the bottom it's green. At the middle of the flag you saw one wheel which has 24 spokes. Okay, we called Ashoka Chakra. What is that? We called Ashoka Chakra, which has 24 spokes like wheel. Okay, so each color of the national flag represent something different. Okay, each color of the national flag represent something different. So we host our national flag on Independence Day and Republic Day and other national functions also. We host national flag because the flag represents the hopes and aspirations of the people of India. Why we host? We host national flag because it represents the hopes and the aspirations of the people of India. It is a symbol of our national pride. Okay, so in our country, we host national flag on national days like Independence and Republic Days on the Red Fort, which is in Delhi. So, hosted by Prime Minister of the country. It is hosted on the both government, private and government office and public places also. A specific set of rules are observed when the national flag is hosted. When the national flag is hosted, the government set specific rule for that time. Okay, so you all are clear with this? What I said? We host our national flag on Red Fort which is on Delhi by Prime Minister of our country, Narendra Modi. Okay, why we host it? We hosted national flag because it represents the hopes and aspirations of the people of India. Okay, so Our national flag is in screen. See carefully, okay? Our national flag was designed by the Pingali Venkaya, okay, which is on the screen. He was a freedom fighter. He was a freedom fighter. See carefully. Our national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya. The spelling is Pingali, Pingali, Venkaya, Venkaya. Okay? He was a great freedom fighter. You know the freedom fighter? You all know? Yes. Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, these all are freedom fighter, great freedom fighter. Okay, so he was also great freedom fighter, Pingali Venkaya. Okay, so this is all about our national flag. I'll recall once. Okay, our national flag called Tiranga or tricolor also, which there are three colors, that is saffron, white and green. And at the middle of the flag we saw one wheel which has 24 spokes called Ashoka Chakra, which is in navy blue color. Okay? And each color of the national flag represents something different. You all know the national flag symbolizes our country and our pride. Okay? National flag represents our country and our pride. We hosted national flag on Red Fort at Delhi on national functions like Independence Days and the Republic Days, etc. Okay, so our national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya. He was a freedom fighter. This is all about national flag. So let's move towards next subtopic. Okay. So each color of the national flag represents something different. Okay. So there are three colors: saffron, white and green. And at the middle of the flag we saw Ashoka Chakra in a navy blue color. It represents also something different. Okay, so what saffron color represent? Saffron color represent quarries and sacrifice. What saffron color represent? It represents quarries and sacrifice. Quarries means bravery. Bravery means it is the ability to fight against danger. It is the ability to fight against pain or fear. Okay, so and sacrifice. So do you know the meaning of sacrifice? It means an act of offering to a deity something precious. An act of offering to a deity something precious. Okay, so what white color represent? The middle is white. So white color represent peace, unity and truth. What white color represent? Peace, unity and truth. Okay, so what is in a peace? It means freedom from disturbance. Okay, it means freedom from disturbance. Unity means joined as a whole. So truth means state of being true. So what green color represent? Green color represent faith and fertility. It means prosperity. Green color represent prosperity, which means growth. Okay, so at last what I said, which at the middle of the flag you saw one wheel. Please, it is on the screen, see carefully. Okay, See carefully, it has 24 spokes. It is in navy blue color. It also represents something. What represents? It symbolizes righteousness. It represents righteousness. So, what is in the righteousness? It means being morally right. Okay? Being morally right. So, I'll recall again, okay? Saffron color represent quarries and sacrifice. White color represent peace, unity and truth. Green color represent prosperity, and Ashoka Chakra represent righteousness. Okay? So our next subtopic is national anthem. Our national anthem. Okay? I know you all are familiar with the national anthem. As you all know that we are sung daily on the school days. We sing at morning time at assembly. We sing national anthem. We all know that Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. So, it was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. He was adopted as our national anthem on 24 January 1950. When he was adopted as our national anthem on 24th January 1950. Okay? So, Jana Gana Mana composed originally in a Bengali language. First, it was composed in a Bengali language by Rabindranath Tagore. So, he was adopted as our national anthem on 24th January 1950. Okay? So, please see careful on the screen Rabindranath Tagore. Okay? The national anthem is sung on the national days, functions and events and national importance to pay respect to our country. So, when we hear national song, when we hear Jana Gana Mana, at that time we stand up and we stand in attention positions. Why? Because it is our national anthem, so we should give respect to our country. We should pay respect to our country, to our nation. Okay? So, after that, I'm going to play a national anthem. Okay? So, I request you to all please stand up and give respect to our nations. Okay? So, I'll recall once of this topic, national anthem. National anthem, our national anthem Jana Gana Mana, it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. First, it was composed on a Bengali language. He was adopted as our national anthem on 24th January 1950. The national anthem is sung on the national days, functions and events of national importance to pay respect to our country. Okay? So please, I request you stand up. Now I am going to play a national anthem. Okay, and give respect to our country.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाए सब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
So, thank you so much to pay respect of our country. So, our another topic is our national song. Okay, as you all know that you are also familiar with this national song also. Our national song. So, do you know our national song? Vande Mataram is our national song. Okay? Vande Mataram. We know that song because we sing on our assembly at school at morning time. We all know this song, but it is our national song. So, do you all know before that Vande Mataram is our national song? Yes, it is our national song. So we should give respect to our national song also. Okay? It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It is in a screen. Please see carefully. Okay? And please note down the important meanings which is said by me. I'll repeat once. Please note down, okay, the important meanings, and you can note down sentence also. Okay. So our national song is a Vande Mataram. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, it was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, which is on the screen. Please see carefully. Okay, so after that I am going to play a video of national song also. Please listen it carefully and you can sing with this video. Okay, so please keep quiet, listen carefully and sing with us. Okay, so now I am going to play a video of national song, that is Vande Mataram. Okay. So our next subtopic is national emblem. Okay, so our next subtopic is national emblem. You know the meaning of national, but what is in the emblem? Are you familiar? No. Emblem means picture with motto. Okay, picture with a motto. Okay, the lion capital is the national emblem of India. The lion capital is the national emblem of our country, India. It was adopted from the Ashokan pillar at Sarnath. It was adopted from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. It is the name of a place. Sarnath, it is the name of a place which is located at Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So it has 4 lions facing 4 directions. See on the screen, it is the picture of the national emblem. It is the picture of the lion capital, which has 4 lions facing 4 directions. You are only seeing 3 lions now, because one is hidden from the view, because one is in backside. Okay, these lions are back to back mounted on the circular abacus. Back to back mounted. Okay, there are 4 lions in the emblem, east, west, north, south. One is hidden from view. These lions are back to back mounted on a circular abacus, has 4 Ashoka chakras and sculptures of lions. You see at the bottom of this emblem, there is only one Ashoka chakra, because others are hidden, others are in backside, and you see sculptures are lions, a bull, an elephant, and a horse between them. Okay, what I said, the lion capital is the national emblem of our country, India. It was adopted from the Ashokan pillar at Sarnath. It has 4 lions facing 4 directions, which one is hidden from the view. These lions are back to back mounted on a circular abacus and has 4 Ashoka chakras and sculptures of the lions and bulls and elephants and horses between them, which is on the bottom of this emblem. Okay, so the word Satyam is Jayat, which is on the screen. See carefully. The words Satyam Ev Jayat are inscribed below on the base of the emblem. This is the motto of our emblem. Okay? Satyam Ev Jayat, which means truth alone triumphs. Okay? What it means? It means truth alone triumphs. Triumphs means a great victory or achievement. To achieve. Okay? So, the emblems form a part of all official government documents. We found commonly where we found national emblem, when we found lion capital, we found on the queen. Now we found on the queen. This is the lion capital. Okay, so the emblem forms a part of all official government documents like identification documents, passport, voter ID, and currency of the India. Where do we found the lion capital? We found at ID, identification document. It means it is a government document. These are documents used to prove a person's identity. It is used to prove a person's identity. And passports means it is a type of a government. It is issued by the government. Because of this passport only we can move from one country to another country. Okay. So voter ID, it is also a government document, but it is issued by Election Commissioner of India to vote above 18 years. Okay, people of our country above 18 years have right to vote. So we found all this national emblem, lion capital, on this voter ID also. Okay, so another one is currency of India. Do you know the currency of India? Yes, you know, it is a rupee. Currency of India is rupee. Okay, so this is all about national emblem. Okay, see carefully on the screen. It is on orange, white and green color. At the bottom you saw one chakra, Ashoka chakra, or a lion, a bull, an elephant, and the horses between them also. So motto is Satyam Ev Jayat. SATYAMEV JAYATA. Okay, it means truth alone. Sriyam. Sriyam means a great victory or a achievement, to achieve. Okay, this is all about national emblem. Okay, please see carefully on the screen. Now we will move towards next subtopic. Okay, so our another subtopic is other national symbols. We are familiar with the national flag, national anthem, national song, national symbol, emblem. So other national symbols are what you seen on the screen. Yes, you all know that this is a tiger. Yes. So the Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. The Royal Bengal tiger, which you are seeing on the screen, it is our national animal. It represents power and strength. Okay, what it represents? It represents power and strength. Power means it relates to energy and an ability to do something, whereas strength related to muscles and ability to do something. Okay, so can you see real tiger at national park or zoo also? Okay, see careful on the screen. This is a national animal, the Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, what it represents? It represents power and strength. Okay, so another one is the peacock. As you all know that you all are familiar with this peacock, because peacock are found in our area, in our Bidwana. We are very lucky because peacock is our national bird, so which which are found in our area, which are found in easily in our area. It symbolizes beauty and grace. Peacock is our national bird, okay, which you are on the screen. Please see carefully, okay. You all are familiar with this peacock, I know, which are easily found in our area, Didwana. So it symbolizes beauty and grace. You know the meaning of beauty and grace? Yes, beauty. Yes, beauty, you know beauty, because you all are beautiful and handsome. Okay, so grace means it's smoothness. It's too much smooth peacock. No? So next is what you seen on the screen. Do you know what is this? It is a lotus, which is our national flower. It represents dignity, wealth and knowledge. Yes. It represents dignity, wealth and knowledge. Okay? So, you all are familiar with the peacock. Do you see lotus? Which we are found in water. Okay, it is our national flower. It represents dignity, wealth and knowledge. Dignity means respect. It means respect. Okay, wealth and knowledge. You see on the screen that is elephant. That is elephant. The Indian elephant is our national heritage animal. Our national heritage animal is Indian elephant. Do you seen elephant before? It is on the screen. Please see carefully. Okay? And please note down the important meanings and the word which is difficult for you. Write down. Okay. So the Indian elephant is our national heritage animal. Okay. Next is national river. Do you know the national river? The Ganga is our national river. Okay, what is that? The Ganga is our national river. And the Ganga's river's dolphins is our national aquatic animal, which is on the screen. Please see carefully, okay? Dolphins and Gangas, the national rivers and the national aquatic animals is in the screen. See carefully, okay? The Ganga river is too much clean now. So, and the dolphins of the Ganga's rivers are the national aquatic animal. Okay? So another is national tree, which is on the screen, which is in green color. What is that? It is banyan tree. Our national tree is banyan tree. And you see, what is that? Another one. It is a mango. Yes, you are too much familiar. You know the taste, which are easily found in our area. What is that? It is our national fruit. Our national fruit is mango. We know the taste of mango, and our national tree is banyan tree. Okay, which is on the screen. Please see carefully and write down also. Okay, note down. I'll ones. Okay. The Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. The peacock is our national bird. The lotus is our national flower, and the Indian elephant is our national heritage animal. The Ganga is our national river. The Ganga's river's dolphin is our national aquatic animal. And the national tree is banyan tree, and the mango is our national fruit. This is all about others national symbol. Okay.